Hey guys, this is Mr. Goalies, and we're taking a look at the steps to do the snipping tool. First one, I need to click down in the lower left-hand corner the Windows tool, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down to the letter S, and step 2 is click Snip and Sketch. Step 3, I'm going to click New. Step 4, I'm just going to draw the area, or click and drag the area. There it is. Step 5, in our case, I'm just going to use the copy function. And now, step 6, now you could save it, by the way, if you wanted to save it. Many people do. I'm going to copy it. And then for us, our last step, I could go to, the final step would be to paste it in the location that you are looking for. So for me, maybe it's right here. I would just right click and hit paste, and there it comes. And now I could resize it and I am done. So there's your 6 steps.